What is up, guys? It's your boy Joseph from Ka-moto. So today we are going to test the kickstart of Mio Gear. If the battery is drained, will it start? Let's find out.
Welcome to Ka-moto. Please like and subscribe.
As for the Mio Gear owners, you already know that there are two start system of Mio Gear. So we have the electric start. Where is it? It's too dark. Okay, there. Yeah, we have the electric start and the kick start. But what if the battery is drained? Can we rely on the kickstart? Alright, so today we're going to CSI Lingayen. It's near Yamaha Lingayen, so just in case it didn't work, we can go there so that we can have it repaired, or we can have the battery charged. So let's go. For now I'm going to try the kickstart. Okay, let's see if it will start. Yeah, so it worked. Now we're going to see if it will work if the battery is drained. So let's go to CSI Lingayen first. So here's the service center for Yamaha motorcycles, just in case it won't start later, so we can go there to have it charged for it here. And right over there is the CSI Mall Lingayen, so it's just near, about a few meters. So we're going to drain the battery there and we'll see. There's no parking space. But I think we can put it here. Right there, you know. Yeah, let's park it there. No. So we're here now in front of the CSI Lingayen, and first we're going to drain the battery of Mio Gear. So we're going to turn it on.
Hello.
And then turn the caution function of this one. And then let's turn the stop and start system so that we can drain the battery faster. Right now, on. So we're just going to wait for maybe, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes, an hour, as long as the battery is completely drained. We will try the kickstart of Mio Gear and see if it will start. So for now, yeah, I'm just going to wait here. By the way, guys, if you're watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for future updates. So right now our motorcycle is there. Shout out to the owner of the Mio Gear right there.
Hello.
Yeah, so yeah, I'll turn off the camera for now. Hi guys, so just a little update. It's 10 minutes now, and the battery is not drained yet. I guess I'll have to wait for a few more minutes, or maybe an hour.
Oh no.
I don't know. So guys, I think this is not just the Kickstarter check. I think we can also have this vlog as the battery check. The Mio Gear S battery check. How long it will last. So, oh my gosh, I need to go somewhere later, but I think the battery is too good. I hope it'll drain after 1 hour. I don't know. Yeah. So let's see. We're just going to wait here. It's too long for the battery to be drained just like that. How about charging my phone? So let's try charging my phone while, so that the battery will drain faster. Okay guys, so let's try charging my phone. Okay, it's charging. I don't know how long will the battery last. I hope the battery won't be broken by what am I doing right now. So yeah, we're just going to wait. Hi guys, so time check, it's 12:10 already. We arrived here at around 10:20, and then we started to drain the battery at around 10:25. So what I did was in the first 20 minutes I just turned on the motorcycle, and then I turned on the caution and the stop and start system in the first 20 minutes. However, in the 20 minutes I charged my phone for about, I'm not sure, maybe for about more than an hour. Yeah, I charged my phone for like 1 hour and 5 minutes, and after that I charged my earphone, my wireless earphone, for about 20 minutes. And now the battery is completely drained, and we're going to check if the Kickstarter will work, but we're going to try the electric start first. Okay, so let's check it out. Let's see if the motorcycle will start. Well, I hope it will, because I can't go home if it won't start, you know. And we need to go somewhere later. So as you can see, let's try to turn it on first. Right, it's so hot, man.
Bruh.
Turn it on. There's no more light. Stop and start system on. I turned it off, and then I also turned off the caution now. Let's see if it will start using the electric start. Oh my gosh, it's not working, man. Okay, so as you can see, it's not starting at all. So now we're going to use the Kickstarter. Let's see if we can really use it at a time like this, like emergency. For example, the battery is drained, and we'll see if the Kickstarter will save us. Alright, let's go. Let's check it. The moment of truth. Oh my god, it's not working, man.
Oh no!
Okay, so I hope it will start now. That's the third kick, fourth. Oh my god, man, what? So the Kickstarter is useless? Oh my. Try again. How about you can see, how about oh my goodness. I think we're going to do just try and try. Oh my god. Okay guys, so it's not working right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to push it to the Yamaha service center. So I don't know what will happen.
Ay, utang ina mo, ginagawa mo.
Oh, is it recording? It worked, guys.
Wow! Congratulations!
Oh my god. It worked. Okay. So, it really is useful. Oh my gosh. Oh, but the engine, why is it like that?
NANI?!
What does that mean? Hey guys, so I turned it off, and as you can see, the engine check is like that. What happened? So I'm going to turn it on. Oh, it's not working. I think we need to use the Kickstarter. Okay. So I think it's because the battery was drained. That's why the engine engine light is on. Yeah, so from what I heard, this light will turn on if there's a problem with the engine or something. So right now I don't know what to do. Should I just let the Mio Gear charge the battery, the Mio Gear charge first, or what? Oh my goodness, what have I done?
Bruh.
Is it okay if I ride this or no? I really don't know. It's still on, man. I don't know if it's safe to drive, but let's go to Yamaha service center. I hope nothing bad happens. I think they're on lunch break now. Yeah, the engine light is still on. Okay, turn it off.
Gumagana yung speedometer nito?
Oh sir, gumagana.
Gumagana?
So yun, in-explain na natin kay sir yung nangyari. Ito nga. Sige bro. I-check na nila.
na din itong battery niya.
Sir. Inuubos ko pinaubos ko kasi titesting ko to.
Inuubos mo yung battery niya?
Sir. Kailangan bang i-charge o ano? Umaandar naman siya kaso di ko alam yung problema niya. Parang nag-charge naman na siya.
Mahina pa.
Mahina pa. Antayin lang na mawala yan.
Pagka na-charge na yun, pwede ipa-charge mo sa labas. Tapos start. Mahina pa yun. Tagalin mo ang sa pwede.
So, ang sinasabi ni sir, mahina daw yung battery. So, tatanggalin ata. Check yung battery. Tanggalin ka. Ay, check yung battery, guys.
Kulang pa yan, sir. Dapat magpo-14 yan. Ay talagang sinubukan mo din rin.
Oo, sir. Kasi antay lang, sir.
Antay mo lang yan kasi mawawalan din yan pagka naka-full charge na.
So
okay naman.
Okay naman daw. Antayin lang na mag-full charge kasi antayin na mag-14 na, sir.
Magpo-14 yan. Pag ginagamit-gamit mo.
Dito muna, sir, hindi muna ko alis. Ano ko lang dito. Pero kung sakaling sir, nangyari yon tapos nagganyan, okay lang na panda rin, sir, walang problema.
Okay lang.
So pwedeng panda rin kahit nakailog.
Tingnan mo, pagpapapatayin natin output natin, kulang yung voltage.
So i-check yung voltage pag nakapatay.
Yan 11.90 lang. Ibig sabihin kulang. Baba yan, 12.30, mga ganun.
Mga 12.30 daw. Kulang yung voltage niya. Kaya pala umiilaw. Sige, sir. So, antayin lang, sir, no? Pandarin ko muna.
Hindi naman pwedeng pandarin yan, sir, na matagal kasi mainitan yung makina mo. Kailangan tumatakbo na lang. Pag tumatakbo na lang.
So, kailangan patakbuhin, sir. Hindi naman kaya baka pumotok.
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman. So okay lang daw. Papatakbuhin ko lang hanggang
Gusto
sa
mo maghintay, tatagalin natin yan, set natin doon.
kung antayin, sir.
Antayin mo.
Pero kung pwede naman na patakbuhin ko na lang, sir.
Okay.
Sige, sir. So patakbuhin ko na lang.
I-charge natin doon sa labas para mawala na yung ilaw. Okay lang tayo. Pero antayin mo.
Mga ilang sir? Madali lang ba?
Hindi rin ito yung battery. Hindi rin ito yung battery. Kasi sinubog ito puno. Charge na natin para
Sige, sir. Take na lang.
Papawailan nyo lang sir, may kinyo. Sige, sublay ko lang.
Sige sir. So, charge lang yung battery guys. Okay, so while waiting for the battery to be fully charged, we're here at Healthy Choice, located at Sir, anong barangay ito sa Lingayen? Anong barangay ito sa Lingayen? Solis Street. Located at Solis Street, Poblacion, Lingayen. So, yeah. Puro puro gulay or fruits yung sinaserve nila dito. So nag-order tayo ng pigar-pigar at yung cucumber shake. Sabihin ko lang si kuya na kakain muna ako. Wow! Ingredients nito sir, mushroom no? Opo. Mushroom. Tapos ano yung in-order ko? Cucumber lemon sir. Cucumber lemon. Wow! Ayan. Yung pigar-pigar dito, mushroom daw. Tapos ito, cucumber lemon. Thank you sir. So let's try it. Siyempre iba yung lasa pero masarap din. First time kong kumain sa vegetarian restaurant. So, okay naman. So we're going to try cucumber lemon. Ano yung lasa nito? Ito daw yung best seller nila dito. Cucumber lemon shake. Sarap din. Okay, tapos na tayong kumain. Ito yung pasta nila, Healthy Choice sa Lingayen. Katabi lang ng Yamaha Lingayen. So tingnan natin kung full charge na yung battery or kung pwede na ba. Sige sir. So chinek yung battery, charge na. Okay naman na daw yung battery. Dinadala rin yun ng kusa na sir. Pero may mga nagpapagawa rin ng ganyan sa inyo sir dito.
Wala pa.
Ayun pa lang. Kasi may mga ano, Mio Gear na nagkakaganito na pinapost din sa Facebook. Eh dinadala nila sa Sir, paano pag ginagamit ko na tapos ilang araw na hindi pa rin nawawala?
Balik mo na lang dito, i-diagnose na pag ano.
Ah, sige sir. Magkano yun sir?
Wala. Balik mo na lang pagka hindi mo wala.
Ah, sige sir.
Kasi hindi pa namatay yung yung charging.
Ah, sige. Kasi pupunta kami ng Laminos ngayon.
Okay,
Kung
mo na lang pagka ganun pa rin. Ano yan, i-diagnose na lang sa computer.
Ah, sige sir. Kung bukas ganun pa rin sir, no? Ayan, guys. Okay guys. So, bali, nag-check engine pa rin siya, no?